powerful partnership. For more than 50 years, Lockheed Martin has been proud to partner with the Royal Norwegian Air Force, RNoAF. The RNoAF has operated 6 Lockheed Martin aircraft types throughout its history, including 4 in operation today: the P-3 Orion, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the C-130J Super Hercules, and the F-35 Lightning Roman II. Norway is a key partner in the transatlantic security community and is a stronghold for NATO's interest in the north. The nation was one of the first to sign on as a partner on the F-35 program during the system development and demonstration phase. In 2008, the government of Norway selected the F-35 Lightning Roman II as the replacement for their F-16 fleet. In 2012, Norway increased their program of record quantity by 4 aircraft and at the same time accelerated deliveries to begin training pilots and maintainers 2 years earlier. Program stats. The Royal Norwegian Air Force operates F-35, a variant aircraft that include a drag chute to assist with landing in icy and slick conditions and to reduce landing distance on short airfields. Norway's program of record is for 52 F-35 aircraft. Economic impact. Norway is an active and valued partner in the development, production, and sustainment of the global F-35 fleet. Every F-35 contains components manufactured by Norwegian industry, with Norway providing key aircraft components including air-to-air pylons, rudder and vertical fin leading edges, carbon composite panels, and completed and coated horizontal and vertical tails. Since the program's inception, 18 Norwegian companies have served as Tier 1 F-35 suppliers, with 9 current and active Norwegian suppliers contributing to the program. The F-35 program builds on the strong relationship Lockheed Martin has established with Norwegian industry. In fact, Kongsberg Aviation Maintenance Services was the first ever depot MRO center for the F-16 program in October 2019. Base locations. Norway's F-35 fleet operates out of Orland Air Base. In addition, a quick reaction alert base is being stood up at Evans Air Base. Program milestones. 2008, Norwegian government selected the F-35 as the replacement for the F-16 fleet. 2015, the first Norwegian F-35, known as AM-1, took flight in Fort Worth, Texas. 2015, the first Norwegian F-35 pilots began training at Luke AFB, Arizona. 2015, the first 2 jets for Norway were delivered to Luke Air Force Base, Arizona. 2017, first aircraft arrival at Orland Air Base. 2018, first drag chute deployment in Norway. 2019, the Royal Norwegian Air Force declared initial operational capability. 2020, the Royal Norwegian Air Force conducted their first international deployment with the F-35 during NATO air policing missions in Iceland.